हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ आसिफ संधू। और इस वक्त हम जो है एक दूसरी सिटी में आए हुए थे, अभी वापस जा रहे हैं। तो मेरे साथ हैं डियर ब्रदर आंसू। आंसू द अफ्रीकन नेम, बट यू नो आंसू इन आवर लैंग्वेज, यू नो टीयर आंसू, जो आंखों से बहते हैं। लेकिन इनका नाम जो है वो अफ्रीकन ज़बान में आंसू है। डियर ब्रदर, प्लीज़ let us know what is the meaning of your name, brother. Ansu, and the one and only Ansu. Okay, so he's a bit shy, no problem, but there are some issues also.
It's not allowed, bro. It's not allowed. This.
Yes, you are very right. You are exactly right. What you are. Guys, this city is so beautiful, and I'm just holding my heart so that I may not lose my heart over here. Maybe this city will steal my heart by her beauty.
In 300 meters, turn right, then turn right. Turn right. In 300 meters, use the right lane to exit to S113 in direction of Edgeman. Exit right to S113 in direction of Edgeman. In 200 meters, use the left two lanes to continue 13 Al Wahida Street. Right on
Other,
S113 Al Wahida Street.
I know bicycle.
Yeah, bicycle. If you drive bicycle, same like this.
Same, okay. Very nice. Bicycle. When I was in my school, I used to ride.